Talking avatars are virtual representations of individuals that can speak and interact with users in online platforms. Having your own talking avatar allows you to convey messages in a unique and memorable way. Today, I will show you how to create your own talking avatar using free AI tools. First things first, let's go generate our talking avatar image. We'll be using the Bing AI image generator. These are all images I've generated. If you've not logged into the Bing AI image generator, it's going to tell you to sign up with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, I suggest for you to use your Gmail account to sign up. So I've already signed up and I'm going to be putting in my prompt. You should have had your prompt ready. To get prompt ideas, you can use various ways to get ideas of what prompt you want to type. To get ideas, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas. It's like I told ChatGPT, write me 10 prompts to generate image of a beautiful young African business female. These are all prompts ChatGPT gave me. From here, you can build upon your prompt. And also another way I use to get ideas of prompts, I also use the CapCut text to image tool. So let's paste in our prompts here. Click on create to see what it gives me. Let's see what it has gotten us. Let's go back. I don't really like what it generated. So let's generate our prompt again. My image is back. So let's see what it looks like. Once you like what you see, you download the image down here. And the beautiful thing about Bing AI image generator is that you can generate consistent image by just changing the little things about the prompt. So it's an alternative to Midjourney and a free alternative. Now that we've downloaded our image, let's go over to Canva. Now let's import the image we've downloaded. Upload file. Here's the image we've downloaded. Let's insert our image. You want to work on this image because you are producing a video which is 16:9 and this image is in 1080 by 1080p. So we want to make it to spread across the screen. So we'll be using the Canva Magic Expand to expand this image to look into a 16:9 video file. Edit photo, we'll go to Magic Expand. We search for 16:9 and we say Magic Expand. It's going to expand it for us. Mind you, this is actually a paid feature in Canva, so you must have a paid subscription to be able to work with Magic Expand in Canva. Yeah, this is what it did with the image, so we'll go over all of it and see which one is more realistic than the others and pick that one. So let's check this one out. No, this looks like a shit show. Oh, that's what is going on here. This looks okay, but if you still don't like what you see, you go over to generate new results to see what else is going to generate. Okay, you can also use the magic eraser to erase some things out of your images. So this is what we'll be working with to create our talking avatar. So let's click on done. Now we're going to download this image. Once we've completed this process, the next thing is to go over to our app, still in Canva here. We'll be using a featured AI tool in Canva called Avatar by DocDoc. So we'll be uploading our audio and we'll be choosing our avatar. So now it says we should sign in to DocDoc, that it wants to connect our accounts. Once you've connected your account, we click on generate talking photo. This is the preview of the video. Let's add that to our design and set it as background.
Give this video a like if you got value from it, and subscribe for more videos like this.
Wow, don't you like that? That way you've created your own token avatar. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do have a good one.